Global Pumps offers and stocks a complete range of air-operated diaphragm pumps in different materials for pumping and transferring liquids and chemicals. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. Now, the air-operated double diaphragm pump, or AODD pump, is driven by compressed air rather than electricity and is the most commonly used portable pump, particularly in mining and chemical applications. The working principle revolves around a combination of reciprocating actions by different components, such as the diaphragm, valve seats and valve balls working together to pump the liquid. The design gives AODD pumps a number of unique advantages, such as self-priming capabilities, up to 7 metres suction lift and the ability to run dry without any damage. They are also capable of handling highly viscous, highly volatile and dangerous liquids. Global Pumps offers the Verderair brand of air-operated diaphragm pumps in port sizes from 1/4 inch to 3 inches, delivering maximum flow rates from 19 to 2,000 litres per minute. And you'll find full details of the range at all the W's, globalpumps.com.au, where you can also download the company's ultimate air-operated diaphragm pump cheat sheet, and that explains the technology in full. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.